Today, we embark on a transformative journey through 35 timeless lessons, inspired by the profound insights of Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, and enriched by the mosaic of our own experiences. These principles, like ancient relics unearthed from the sands of time, stand as enduring beacons guiding us through the labyrinth of modern existence. As we navigate the complexities of life, they serve as both compass and North Star, illuminating the path to personal growth and resilience. Picture yourself standing at the crossroads of opportunity, the winds of change whispering secrets of uncertainty. In the distance, the light of Seneca's teachings flickers like a steadfast flame in the darkness, offering solace and direction amidst life's storms. Whether you're a seasoned sage or a novice voyager in the sea of self-discovery, these lessons will serve as both anchor and sail. Together, let's embark on this epic odyssey, exploring the timeless wisdom of Seneca through the prism of contemporary life. It's not about reaching some distant shore of perfection, but rather embracing the voyage of continuous self-improvement. Fasten your seatbelts as we navigate the ebbs and flows of life's challenges, celebrating the victories and learning from the setbacks along the way. Remember, the power to apply these lessons lies within each of us. Let's unlock the secrets to becoming the architects of our own destinies, forging a path to the highest expression of ourselves. 1. Seek challenges. Embrace discomfort as the crucible for greatness, where your true potential is forged. Whether it's tackling a new project at work, pushing your physical limits, or facing personal fears, challenges are the catalyst for growth and self-discovery. 2. Choose your influences wisely. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire, shaping your journey with positivity and growth. Your environment and the people you associate with have a profound impact on your mindset and behavior. Seek out mentors, role models, and friends who challenge you to become the best version of yourself. 3. Focus on your response. Your power lies not in what happens to you, but in how you choose to respond, shaping the narrative of your life. Instead of being reactive, cultivate a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness. View setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, and choose to respond with courage, grace, and optimism. 4. Say yes to what matters. Prioritize the essential over the trivial, aligning your actions with your long-term goals and values. Learn to discern between what is truly important and what is merely urgent or distracting. By saying yes to what aligns with your values and passions, you invest your time and energy in endeavors that contribute to your personal growth and fulfillment. 5. Be a master of yourself. Cultivate self-discipline to control your actions, emotions, and decisions, paving the way for success. Self-discipline is the key to achieving your goals and overcoming obstacles. By developing habits of self-control and perseverance, you strengthen your willpower and resilience, empowering yourself to navigate life's challenges with confidence and determination. 6. Protect your time. Guard your time like a precious resource, investing it in activities that align with your values and aspirations. Time is finite, and how you choose to spend it determines the trajectory of your life. Be mindful of how you allocate your time and energy, focusing on activities that bring you joy, fulfillment, and personal growth. 7. Do the hard things. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, knowing that adversity is the forge where your character is tempered. Growth occurs outside of your comfort zone, so don't shy away from difficult tasks or uncomfortable situations. Instead, lean into challenges with courage and determination, trusting in your ability to learn and adapt. 8. Make others better. Inspire and uplift others, fostering meaningful connections that elevate both them and yourself. Your impact on others extends far beyond yourself, so strive to be a positive influence in the lives of those around you. Lead by example, offer support and encouragement, and celebrate the successes of others as if they were your own. 9. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a heart filled with gratitude, finding joy in the simplest pleasures and fueling your resilience in challenging times. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity and despair, helping you maintain a positive outlook even in the face of adversity. Take time each day to count your blessings and express appreciation for the people, experiences, and opportunities in your life. 10. Embrace continuous learning. Stay adaptable and resilient in a rapidly changing world by committing to lifelong learning and growth. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey, and every experience presents an opportunity for learning and self-improvement. Stay curious, seek out new challenges, and embrace the process of continuous learning as a pathway to personal and professional development. 11. Embrace vulnerability. Find courage in vulnerability, forging deeper connections, and fostering personal growth through authenticity. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your courage and strength. By embracing vulnerability, you open yourself up to authentic connections, meaningful relationships, and profound personal growth. 12. Cultivate resilience through adversity. View setbacks as opportunities for growth, emerging stronger and wiser from life's challenges. Adversity is an inevitable part of life, but it is how you respond to adversity that defines your character and resilience. Cultivate resilience by reframing setbacks as opportunities for learning, growth, and self-discovery. 13. Practice the art of reflection. Regularly examine your thoughts, actions, and goals, using self-reflection as a compass for personal growth. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for gaining insight into your values, beliefs, and behaviors. Take time to pause, introspect, and evaluate your progress, making adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your aspirations and values. 14. Cultivate a robust mindset. Train your mind to focus on solutions and opportunities, fostering resilience and determination in the face of adversity. Your mindset shapes your reality, so cultivate a mindset of optimism, resilience, and resourcefulness. Instead of dwelling on problems or obstacles, focus on finding solutions and seizing opportunities for growth and self-improvement. 15. Live in alignment with your values. Find meaning and fulfillment by living authentically in alignment with your core values and principles. Your values serve as a compass for navigating life's decisions and choices. By living in alignment with your values, you cultivate a sense of purpose, integrity, and authenticity, guiding your actions and decisions toward a life of meaning and fulfillment. 16. Embrace change. Embrace the inevitability of change, seeing it as an opportunity for learning, growth, and adaptation. Change is a constant in life, and resisting change only leads to frustration and stagnation. Instead of fearing change, embrace it as a catalyst for personal and professional development, welcoming new experiences and opportunities for growth. 17. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate presence and clarity amidst life's chaos through mindfulness, finding peace in the present moment. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment with openness, curiosity, and acceptance. By cultivating mindfulness, you develop greater awareness, resilience, and inner peace, enabling you to navigate life's challenges with grace and equanimity. 18. Seek meaningful connections. Nurture deep and meaningful connections with others, enriching your life with love, empathy, and understanding. Human connection is essential for our well-being, so prioritize relationships that bring joy, support, and fulfillment to your life. Invest time and energy in cultivating authentic connections built on trust, empathy, and mutual respect. 19. Embrace impermanence. Find beauty in the transient nature of life, embracing impermanence as a source of wisdom and appreciation. Impermanence is a fundamental aspect of existence, reminding us to cherish each moment and embrace the ebb and flow of life. By accepting impermanence, you cultivate a deeper appreciation for the beauty and preciousness of life, finding joy and meaning in the present moment. 20. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, recognizing your inherent worth and embracing self-love. Self-compassion is the practice of extending the same kindness, care, and understanding to yourself that you would offer to a loved one. By practicing self-compassion, you cultivate resilience, inner peace, and emotional well-being, empowering yourself to navigate life's challenges with grace and self-assurance. 21. Cultivate humility. Acknowledge your limitations and embrace a mindset of humility, fostering openness to learning and growth. Humility is the recognition that you don't have all the answers and that there is always room for growth and improvement. By cultivating humility, you remain open-minded, receptive to feedback, and eager to learn from others, fostering personal and professional development. 22. Find joy in simplicity. Discover happiness in the simple pleasures of life, cultivating gratitude for the richness of each moment. In a world filled with distractions and complexities, find joy in the beauty of nature, the warmth of human connection, and the richness of your inner life. By cultivating gratitude for the simple pleasures of life, you develop a deeper appreciation for the abundance and wonder of the world around you, finding joy and contentment in the present moment. 23. Practice non-attachment. Release the need for control and embrace the flow of life, finding freedom in letting go of attachment. Non-attachment is the practice of releasing your attachment to outcomes, possessions, and expectations, allowing life to unfold naturally. By letting go of attachment, you cultivate inner peace, resilience, and equanimity, enabling you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and acceptance. 24. Live with integrity. Align your actions with your values, living with integrity and authenticity in all aspects of your life. Integrity is the alignment between your thoughts, words, and actions, reflecting your core values and principles. By living with integrity, you cultivate self-respect, trustworthiness, and inner peace, fostering meaningful connections and a sense of purpose and fulfillment. 25. Embrace the journey. Embrace the journey of life with all its ups and downs, finding meaning and purpose in the experience itself. Life is a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation, filled with joys, challenges, and opportunities for learning and personal development. By embracing the journey, you cultivate resilience, wisdom, and gratitude, finding joy and fulfillment in the unfolding of each moment. 26. Practice emotional resilience. Life is full of highs and lows, and emotional resilience is the key to navigating its unpredictable terrain. Seneca's teachings remind us that we have the power to cultivate emotional resilience by acknowledging our emotions, finding healthy ways to cope with adversity, and bouncing back stronger from setbacks. Practice self-care, seek support when needed, and remember that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. 27. Live with purpose. Seneca believed in living with purpose and intentionality. Take time to reflect on your values, passions, and goals, and align your actions with your sense of purpose. Living with purpose gives meaning to our lives and fuels our motivation to make a positive impact on the world around us. Find your why and let it guide you on your journey toward fulfillment and success. 28. Practice mindful communication. Communication is the cornerstone of our relationships, and practicing mindful communication can enhance our connections with others. Seneca's philosophy encourages us to speak with clarity, honesty, and compassion, and to listen attentively to others. Practice empathy, seek to understand before being understood, and cultivate deep, meaningful connections built on trust and respect. 29. Embrace the power of solitude. In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, solitude is often overlooked. However, Seneca understood the value of solitude as a time for introspection, reflection, and self-discovery. Make space in your life for solitude, whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a walk alone in nature. Embrace the silence, and you may find profound insights and clarity that can't be found amidst the noise of everyday life. 30. Practice forgiveness. Holding onto grudges and resentment only weighs us down and prevents us from moving forward. Seneca teaches us the importance of forgiveness as a path to inner peace and liberation. Practice forgiveness not as a condemning of others' actions, but as a release of your own emotional burden. By letting go of resentment and embracing forgiveness, you free yourself to live with greater joy, compassion, and resilience. 31. Cultivate a sense of wonder. Life is full of wonders, both big and small, and cultivating a sense of wonder can enrich our experience of the world. Seneca reminds us to marvel at the beauty of nature, the complexity of human existence, and the mysteries of the universe. Cultivate curiosity, embrace the unknown, and approach each day with a sense of awe and wonderment. In doing so, you'll find that life becomes a grand adventure filled with endless possibilities. 32. Practice generosity. Generosity is a virtue that transcends cultures and religions, and Seneca recognized its transformative power. Practice generosity in both big and small ways, whether it's through acts of kindness, sharing your time and resources with others, or simply offering a listening ear to someone in need. By giving freely and selflessly, you not only enrich the lives of others but also cultivate a sense of abundance and gratitude within yourself. 33. Embrace imperfection. Perfection is an illusion that only leads to frustration and disappointment. Seneca teaches us to embrace our imperfections and to recognize that it's our flaws that make us human. Instead of striving for unattainable perfection, focus on progress, growth, and self-acceptance. Embrace your quirks, celebrate your uniqueness, and let go of the need to be flawless. In embracing imperfection, you'll find freedom, authenticity, and true happiness. 34. Practice patience. In a world of instant gratification, patience is a rare but invaluable virtue. Seneca's philosophy reminds us of the importance of patience in achieving our goals and navigating life's challenges. Practice patience in times of adversity, uncertainty, and setbacks. Trust in the process, stay focused on your long-term vision, and remember that good things take time to unfold. By cultivating patience, you'll find greater resilience, inner peace, and fulfillment in the journey. 35. Live with compassion. Compassion is the heart of a meaningful and fulfilling life. Seneca's teachings encourage us to extend compassion not only to others but also to ourselves. Practice empathy, kindness, and understanding toward all beings, and strive to alleviate the suffering of those around you. By living with compassion, you create a ripple effect of love, healing, and positivity that transcends boundaries and transforms lives. These 35 timeless lessons inspired by Seneca offer profound insights into living a purposeful, resilient, and meaningful life. Apply them in your daily life and watch as you grow in wisdom, compassion, and inner peace. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, like the video, and leave a comment to join our community of lifelong learners. Together, let's continue exploring the wisdom that enriches our lives and helps us become the best versions of ourselves.